guys, guess what? I'm so close to unlocking the new Sonic. So close. So we're gonna go to the Sonic. Alright, I pause it so I can make this video. Now look, on the side. So close. Oh, hold up. I had to do a little bit more because this video would take too long if I started from the beginning. I'm already at 440. No! My bad rocket. Team Sonic. From the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. Alright. Oh my gosh, we're about to get him. I made a new account and I don't know. And then I deleted it. And I tried logging on back to my original account. It didn't work. I, from Google Play, tried getting on my new account, but it doesn't on my old account, and it didn't work. Had over 2 million coins. Alright, let's just unpause this for a second. You can skip it or anything. I really don't care. But you have to check this. Now I'm about to win him. So, alright. Hold up, guys. Skip it or anything. You don't really have to skip it. Oh. Sorry. Alright. I got knocked out, so let's play this again. Or anything. So, awesome. Right now there's no Sonic character collector coins. Whatever you like to call them, whatever they're called. Oh, I guess that. one. Oh, forgot. Oh, we're so close, guys. So close. Sorry guys, skip this part because you just skip this part, alright? I'll see you guys
Divine.
whenever I make it there. Alright, it's almost done. Alright guys. 1 minute to only 20 more. 19 more. Oh. Sorry. We're back at another one. Alright guys, we're about to unlock him. Dude, I'm so excited to unlock him. Guys. Skip it guys. So you're gonna skip the video. Alright. Only need 9 more. 10 more. Oh my gosh. I'm about to unlock him. And I just barely started this today. Can you believe it? I just figured out today he's in the game, so I had to do it. Had to collect a lot, then do the rest on the video. I'm about to collect the last one. You ready? Grand finale? 500 coins. Sonic collected. But you see, there's no more coins left. For me, I think I'm the first in the world to unlock it. Alright! Yeah. Oh, oh, that is cool. Oh my. He is so cool. cool, dude. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed, so smash that like button and subscribe button. Let's get this to at least 200 likes. Alright? My goal is to get up to at least 500 subscribers. So, and I was the first kid in the world to ever unlock this Sonic. The first in the world to unlock Sonic, actually. So, hope you enjoyed. So, peace.